Snoring happens when the flow of air through your nose and throat is partially blocked while you sleep. This can cause the surrounding tissues to vibrate, creating that familiar snoring sound. For some people, it's occasional and harmless, but for others, it's loud, constant, and disruptive, both for them and their partner. The most common causes include nasal congestion, a deviated septum, or even the position you sleep in. In some cases, snoring can be a sign of a more serious condition called sleep apnea, which affects your breathing while you sleep and can impact your overall health. At Capital ENT and Sinus Center, we specialize in identifying the root cause of snoring. Whether it's sinus-related, structural, or something more complex, our providers can help you breathe better, sleep better, and stop snoring for good.